What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the XO Civic build. I know probably a lot of you want to know about it, so stay tuned. As you can see here, done cut most of the body panels off. Just looking for a cage. This is where the plates will go. All four corners on this. Still running a bar up underneath the dash. It'll have door bars, and then I have to custom make the front end and the rear end. Side exit, teardrop exhaust. It should be pretty fun when I get done with it. Not really sure what it's gonna run as far as how fast, but I've already drove it and it's pretty quick, but I don't know. I'm just dying to get a cage on it so that I can actually have it inspected and get it legal so that I can actually drive it down the road. Hopefully it doesn't take too much longer. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.